Okay, so are you a Honeybook and a Calendly scheduler type of person, and you want to see how you can take the power of both systems and put it together for your business? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go through, connect Calendly to your Honeybook account, but also a really cool new automation feature that can incorporate your Calendly link with Honeybook. So let's go ahead and dive in so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Honeybook account, you just simply log into your Honeybook account. You would go to your profile picture here at the top or your icon and go to your company settings. Then you will scroll down to integrations. Integrations is where you can go through and integrate a lot of different tools that you're already using, like your Gmail, your Zoom, your QuickBooks. You can add all of that here. There are a lot of different options that you can go through and add, but you'll see the option for Calendly and you'll see the option to connect. Now, right now, mine says disconnect because it's already connected, right? So when you go through and you connect your Calendly account to your Honeybook account, pretty much what it's going to do is any type of scheduling or bookings that you get from your Calendly link into your Calendly calendar, it is going to put it inside of your Honeybook calendar. Now, one thing it's not going to do, it's not going to connect that person to a particular project or create a client inside of your Honeybook account. But let me just show you how you can actually make that happen. Now, some for use cases, because some of you guys are probably like, okay, well, Honeybook has their own schedulers. Why would I use Calendly? Well, you might use Calendly if you're already a Calendly user and you like how on Calendly you can have the scheduler, you can do the payment, you can do all of that in one go. Maybe you like that and you just want to continue to use your Calendly account. So that's perfectly fine. It natively connects inside of Honeybook. So what you want to do next is you want to go up to automations. Now, this is a fairly new feature. Right now inside of Honeybook, I am using Honeybook's new conditional logic feature. So what we're going to do is we're going to create an automation with our Calendly. So what we're going to do is we're going to set a trigger from this sidebar. Now, there's a lot of different triggers that Honeybook has rolled out with. You have your inquiries, your sessions, your files, bookings, and projects, right? But now you have this new option, which is meeting is scheduled in Calendly. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now it's going to ask me to go through and connect my Calendly account, which I'm going to click the one that's connected. And then the trigger is going to be meeting scheduled. Now, as of right now, of me doing this video, that is the only option is meeting scheduled. Okay. Now you have your filter. So this is going to be the event type. So it's going to pull all of the different events or different calendars that you have from your Calendly account. So because I'm using my Content Studio calendar account, which is basically like the extension of our other business that we have currently, it's pulling in all of our Content Studio bookings. So I don't want it to go through for all of the types. I just want to do it for this particular one. So I just want to say, let's say discovery call, right? And so I have it activated for discovery call. Now you notice when I did that, it pulls up this warning sign. It's like, hey, warning, something's not right. This is where you will be able to go through and then add this particular person to an opportunity or to a project, which is awesome. So all you need to do where it says to use this trigger, you need to add an opportunity or a project step. So all you have to do is click on add step. And it's going to ask you for the project owner. So anybody who is on your Honeybook account is going to pull them in. I'm just going to put it as myself. It's going to ask for the project type. Now, the project type is going to be basically pulled from your Honeybook account, the project types that you have set. So you can choose any of the types that you want. I'll just choose other just for this particular tutorial. And then it has project stage. So which stage do you want this person to land on inside of your Honeybook account after they book this Calendly meeting? So they go to your Calendly account, they go to your use your Calendly link, they book the meeting with you. Which stage in your Honeybook account do you want them to go to? So I have these different stages inside of our Honeybook account. So I just want them to go to the first stage, which is inquiry. Now you can also add in project tags. If you're not familiar with project tags are basically, in essence, it's a way for you to be able to categorize your clients and projects based off of particular tags. So you can filter tags or filter people by tags within your projects and within your your client contact list. So I have different tags, so I can choose that anybody who books this particular discovery call to tag them with a certain thing. So for now, I don't want to go through and I don't want to tag them with anything. You can also set this for require for approval. And that's it. You can continue to go through and build out this automation stage. I do have another Honeybook automation conditional logic video that I will post somewhere on the screen, as well as a description box for you to go through and check that out if you want to know how to go through and build out the automation sequence from here. Okay, so let me know in the description box if you are a Calendly user, if this is a feature that you would consider using. And in case you're new here, my name is Kenniqua. I am a Squarespace website designer and I am a Honeybook strategist, and I help solopreneurs and entrepreneurs with small teams leverage systems to be able to streamline their businesses so much more efficiently and effectively. So in case you're not already using Honeybook, go ahead and grab that 30% off discount link. It's in the description box below, as well as my free Honeybook guide, because I share with you the 5 different things that you need to do before you actually dive all the way into Honeybook. So those resources, they are in the description box below. And if you like content like this, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see the full automation of how to use Honeybook's conditional logic, go ahead and take a look at the next video that I'll have on the screen somewhere. But until next time, keep learning and keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.